Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with 1 pound dry red beans and pick out debris before rinsing under cold water. Sorting removes stones and shriveled beans and improves final texture. Cover beans with 4 cups water per 1 pound and soak 6 to 8 hours, or use quick soak by boiling 2 minutes then resting 1 hour. After soaking, drain and rinse. Discard soaking water to reduce gas-causing sugars. Add a pinch of baking soda during soaking to reduce cooking time and improve tenderness, but use no more than 1/8 teaspoon per pound. Sauté 1 medium onion, 3 cloves garlic, and 1 green pepper in 2 tablespoons oil until translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 pound drained beans, then add 6 to 8 cups low-sodium stock or water, using more liquid if you want soupier beans. Bring to a gentle boil, skim foam, then reduce to a simmer and cook uncovered 1.5 to 2 hours until beans are tender and skins begin to split. Season with 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and reserve salt to add later to prevent toughening. When beans are tender, mash 1/4 of the beans against the pot with a spoon to thicken the sauce and create a creamy texture without cream. Taste and add salt only now. Start with 1 teaspoon and increase to taste, and balance flavors with 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice to brighten the dish. For meat options, brown 8 ounces andouille or smoked sausage earlier and stir in during the last 20 minutes. Serve over 1.5 cups cooked rice per portion. Garnish with chopped green onions, refrigerate 3 to 4 days, or freeze up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.